Citius is a large manufacturing enterprise in the laminated glass production market, refitting and customizing cars since 1991. Citius has already made a name for themselves in the auto industry and has become a symbol for comfort and safety. Today, Citius collaborates with many foreign companies. The enterprise is ranked amongst the top leaders in the Ukrainian market for armored cars. Citius has grown immensely, largely due to their manufacturing guarantees. Even despite this, the company is a leader in the Ukrainian production of armored glass. Another equally important field, Citius creates specialized cars, panel trucks, which they are used for a variety of purposes. It also directs much of its activity in refitting passenger and dual-purpose minibuses. Modern and unique technology allows its employees to operate at a very high-quality rate. The company prides themselves in saying there is no problem their experts cannot solve. The final result always surpasses all expectations for their customers. For the past 19 years, Citius has delivered nothing but pleasurable business to their customers. Citius has always kept human life and safety as their highest priority. More than a century has passed from the first horse armored carriages to the modern armored cars we see today. The world has unfortunately become a more dangerous place as instruments of attack have made a great advance. On the other hand, safety systems have been also developed and modern armored cars become abundant. Fortresses on the wheels, cars capable of providing not only a high degree of safety, but also a sense of comfort to its owner. Hundreds of years ago, armored cars were not in such demand compared to the current need. It is the popularity that has sparked not only for those procuring protection for the dangerous lives they live, but also in such businesses as bank, money transfers, and other such valuable goods where an armored vehicle might be needed. Experts confirm with Citius that even nowadays it is possible to feel safe and protected. You need professional help, bodyguards, and, of course, the use of an armored car. Citius has been engaged in more than 18 years of armored cars and has a wide range of experience in dealing with customers' needs all over the world. The company creates armored cars capable of technical characteristics to bear additional weight for all purposes. Citius will armor any car, whether it is a cargo, passenger, minibus, jeep or heavy truck, upon that both armoring of special purposes cars for banks and offices and cars for protection of private persons can be carried out. According to the desires of the customer, the exterior of the car can be kept unchanged. The customer can choose the base chassis of the car. Then Citius will do the necessary armoring of the vehicle, putting in its patent equipment, yet keeping the desired outer and inner appearance. The advanced technology used in the armament process allows it fit to the specifications of any car. Different purposes, yet identical success, Citius will always get the job done, whether a cash-in-transit van or VIP transport car. Citius experts believe in the reliability and ease that comes to using their product, and the armored material used uphold to the standard of the European and Ukrainian certificates. The expert at Citius can also offer installation of a wide assortment of equipment, video and audio devices, computer systems, communication tools, and also interior trim of the car can also be done on request. All these in combination to high degree protection, a car can provide optimum conditions for your working environment. One can work with the high-tech mobile functions and you feel the confidence and comfort that comes with Citius security. The level of protection provided is reached due to the chosen protective materials and their correct application. From basic materials of car to armoring with compound steel and laminated bulletproof glass, the proper installation is crucial. Citius experts are capable of making bulletproof glass, complete sets of any of protection classes of any car, all on the requirements and needs of the customer. Very high demands are made and upheld. Bulletproof glass must be closely inspected and tested to make sure of its quality and reliability. This type of glass should possess good transparency and shouldn't give distortions. Glasses for an armored car also pass regular shooting. The most important element of providing is armor capsule, which should be welded overlap so that to exclude vulnerability of the car in joint places of armor plates. We often look for a car which could meet our demands. Not having found one, we get the most acceptable car and try to adopt it to our needs. As a rule, there is not much hope for success, so usually we are not satisfied with the result. The qualified experts of Citius are ready to transform any serial car into the car of your dream. Minibars refitted can be done on individual requirements of the customer, certified in the design project. Safety conditions and original car manufacturer's demands to production technology are considered. Outfit of passenger compartment and used materials can vary greatly, depending on vehicle requirements and its purposes. It can be a tourist minibus, a mobile office, or a special purpose vehicle. Besides, project of special equipped vehicles for wheelchair users transportation can be also carried out. One of the main activities of Citius is manufacturing of specialized medical cars on the basis of various domestic and foreign cars. Citius ambulance cars means comfort for work layout of equipment and furniture in the car saloon. All the wishes of the customers are considered. The installation of the necessary medical equipment which corresponds to the profile of a certain mobile team can be provided. The car saloon is equipped with systems of ventilation, heating, water and gas supply, and also with electrics which are necessary for functioning of medical equipment. The creation of multi-purpose non-standard medical cars from medical mobile offices to mobile to hospitals with a great number of beds is possible. The practicalness of the refitted cars explains their use in various areas. Citius experts can also create rescue vehicles of the Ministry of Emergency Situations, special purpose vehicles for transportation of explosive materials, emergency service vehicles, the specialized laboratories capable to work in the most difficult conditions, even with radioactive elements in the conditions of the raised radiation background. All specially designed cars are maneuverable, practical, and possess long operational term. Citius has been engaged in more than 18 years of producing of armored glass and has a wide range of experience in dealing with customers' needs all over the world. A triptych armored glass can be used whether for auto transport or in architecture. Windows in houses, shop windows, doors in offices and banks, guard station made from our glass will reliably protect them from a forethought attack or ridiculous accidents. Production of the irregular shaped glass is one of our enterprise's activities in this field. Whatever you get from Citius, whether it is an armored car, a passenger bus, a special purpose vehicle or a bank building glazing, you will surely get an excellent result. Anyway, you will be satisfied with the result. Citius means comfort and reliability in everything.